can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Graph. The Graph is down 9.4% over the last 1 week, is down 10% over the last 1 month, and the last 1 year has seen the Graph lose 47% of its value. We had a little taste of altcoin season. We saw the altcoin season index head towards altcoin season for about 11 days. Right now, we're out of altcoin season. We'll be expecting this altcoin to give us one final exit pump. We look at the Graph's performance against the US dollar. A little dump in the cryptocurrency market has bring fear back to the market. Sentiment has tilted towards fear. Should we be buying more the Graph tokens? How high can we possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is it over? Why is fear returning back to the market? We look at the Graph's performance against Ethereum. Right now, it's at a new all-time low. Is there any chance for us pumping to the moon? Also look at the Graph's market cap, which still sits under $1 billion. How high will the Graph go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Where is our accumulation zone? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The altcoin market saw a big dump over the last 7 days. The altcoin market saw liquidations, with highest liquidation we have seen in 2025, with altcoins dumping, some of them by double digits. The Graph is just down 9.5% over the last 1 week. But the market cap sitting around $880 million, and fully diluted market cap getting to as low as $952 million. The Graph's all-time high still sits on the 12th of February 2021, when the Graph traded for as high as $2.88. If you look at the Graph's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame, yes, this dump is nothing to write home about. The altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. For you to get those huge gains in the altcoin market, you have to be able to stomach extraordinary volatility. We have seen the Graph pump to as high as that $2.8 level in February of 2021. Since then, we've had difficulties rallying back to $2. We have seen the Graph dumping aggressively to gobbling town. We have seen it go from as high as $2.8. We have seen it lose 98% of its value, finding a bottom in December of 2022. But since December of 2022, yes, we've had some pumps here and there, but we've not had those kind of parabolic pumps that market participants have been used to. We've seen the Graph rally to as high as the $0.48 level, which is around an 800% pump from the bottom of the bear market. But then again, knowing how volatile altcoins can be, we have seen the Graph give back all of those gains since March of 2024. We have seen the Graph go from as high as $0.48, finally dumping to as low as $0.085. That's an 82% dump to gobbling town. But we have not set new lows, which is good news. Historically, guys, when the vibes are down, when sentiment is down, when market participants are very fearful, that's when you want to buy for some sweet profit. And that's where most of the monies are made. When the market is red, when the market is dumping to gobbling town, remember, guys, you're playing a game against other market participants. The game is to buy as low as possible, and the game is to sell as high as possible. The game is to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, and you want to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. We have seen the crypto market stuck in neutral sentiment over the last few weeks, but right now, with the last dump we saw in the market has tilted towards fear, which historically has always been a good time to buy. You want to plan your trade, guys, and you want to trade your plan. If you buy when there's fear in the market, you have the opportunity to buy, to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. If you look at the Graph's performance against the US dollar, the key level still remains. We still need to see the Graph rallying above $0.34 for us to make any progress. There's a huge resistance around that $0.34 level, and the line in the sand where we have gotten stopped multiple times since 2022 has been the $0.48 level. We saw the Graph trying to rally above that $0.48 level in March of 2022. We got rejected there. We saw the Graph trying to rally above it in March of 2024. We also got rejected there. So hopefully, from where the Graph is currently trading, that will be next target. That will be where I'm sure a lot of smart whales will be selling for some sweet profit. But the Graph needs to pump by more than 464% if we are to rally towards that $0.47 level. Altcoin market is very volatile. These altcoins can have these 500% moves in a very short time. The exit pump in the altcoin market usually catches market participants by storm. Market participants are always confused when we start that final pump. A lot of market participants will start selling for some losses right now, because at the end of the market cycle, many people start feeling jealous. Many market participants can hold a gain. They have seen other altcoins pumping aggressively. They have seen other altcoins doing very, very well. And the final pump will catch many people off guard, because they would have sold for some losses, saying, I can't take this anymore, altcoins are dead, there's no more altcoin season. And at the exact moment where they sell those altcoins, expecting to buy other altcoins that will pump to the moon, then you see these altcoins like the graph having their own time in the sun, pumping aggressively, and market participants will end up buying the top again. You don't want to buy the top, guys. If you buy the top, you sell the bottom. But if you buy the bottom, you have a chance of selling the top. The graph is an indexing protocol for querying data for networks like Ethereum, IPFS, powering many applications in both DeFi and broader Web3 ecosystem. Anyone can build, publish, and open APIs called subgraph. The application can query using GraphQL to retrieve blockchain data. And if you look at the graph's performance against Ethereum, it has dumped to new all-time low. Historically, guys, the exit pump always happens when whales start flipping their Ethereum into the altcoin market, start flipping their Bitcoin into the altcoin market, and we see altcoins like the graph giving us an exit pump. There's no guarantees that pump is taking us to all-time highs, but I won't be shocked to see the graph rallying up by around 300 to 500%. Volatility is your friend in the altcoin market. A 10% dump should not shake you out of the market. These altcoins can even go down 90% and still rebound back, giving us aggressive pumps to the moon. So I'll not be shocked if we see the exit pump carrying us like 500% to the moon for the graph's performance against Ethereum. Historically, smaller altcoins perform well in the final phase of the market cycle. I don't think this time is different, and I believe we're still going to see an epic altcoin season. We had a little taste of altcoin season over the last 12 days. We saw some altcoins pumping. We saw double-digit gains across the board in the altcoin market. But right now, we're out of altcoin season. I believe we'll be heading there over the next few days and the next few weeks. It's 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That is altcoin season. Guys, you want to buy those altcoins? When we're not in altcoin season, when we get to altcoin season, that's when you want to sell for some sweet profit. Sentiment improves in the market, so you expect the market cap to also improve. The line in the sand for the graph's market cap is the $6.4 billion level. That's the all-time high where we got to in 2021. But since then, we've seen the graph's market cap head to $4.5 billion, get rejected there. We've headed to as high as $3.2 billion in December of 2024, got rejected there. So the first line in the sand will be the $3.2 billion level. From where the graph is currently trading right now, we need to see about a 275% pump to get there. For us to get to new all-time highs, we need to see around the 650% pump to the upside. And with Bitcoin dominance hopefully crashing in the coming days and the coming weeks, that will send a lot of liquidity into the altcoin market. That will send altcoins pumping to the moon. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. The graph currently trading around the $0.084 level. Are you accumulating more? Are you buying more, getting ready for that epic altcoin season exit pump? When will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.